Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the new Springfield XDM chambered in 10mm. This was released last month. Many people are searching for 10mm. Huge demand for 10mm handguns now, and manufacturers are kind of forced to produce firearms chambered in that if they want to be in the game. So they released this last month. This is the 4.5-inch barrel. It's a full-size gun, but they actually make a 5.25-inch barrel that's a bit longer. Really taking that 10mm to its maximum potential. But here it is, all XDM, MSRP $652, average price right now right around $600. The larger one is $779, MSRP right around $700. But Springfield's pretty generous. You know, it does come with 3 additional back straps, 2 15-round magazines, and then everything else that, you know, we're used to as far as the lock and the paperwork and everything else. But we'll take a look at this trigger here. I measure it right around 6 pounds. All right, it does have a trigger bar safety in there and the grip safety. Okay, you love it or hate it, there it is. Doesn't bother me. You know, you have to get a high grip on the gun anyways, but some people really have a problem with that. We'll take a look here. All right, nice pull there. Very familiar trigger pull. Reset right there for the follow-up shots. Right there. It does have a 1913 Picatinny rail there. Front serrations diagonally cut, as well as the rear serrations. Up top here we have a loaded chamber bar that will pop up with a loaded chamber and a sight hole. And over here we have an ambi mag release. So, you know, the XDMs have a little more quality features than the standard XDs, and this 10mm has it as well. Now the rear sight here is fixed. The larger model with the 5.25-inch barrel has an adjustable rear sight, and then of course fiber optic front sight, very common with Springfield handguns. Pretty nice setup. And there's that trigger pull once again. Let's get it on the scale. We'll show the unloaded weight. Full-size gun. Feels a little top heavy with an empty magazine. Here we have 1 pound 15 and an 1/8 ounce. Move it just to ounces. 31. That should be 31 and an 1/8, but it's pretty close. So you put 15 rounds of 10mm in there, that's going to raise that quite a bit. But there it is. Let's take a look at the internals here. A lot of people, you know, they have their opinions of the grip safety. Doesn't bother me too much, but I know other people, it's a turnoff to them. But you know what? If you have a high grip anyways, it shouldn't be a problem at all. Then here we have an uncaptured recoil spring, all steel, 1-piece guide rod. And here is your 4.5-inch barrel. Fully supported. And then there's your slide. Very clean. The machining is very clean. You know, and once again, that's pretty consistent. So I'll be getting this to the range. I look forward to that. You know, the 10mm options, I think, with this XDM, it's bringing it tight, I tell you, is I like it that they came out with 2 sizes of it, because that is, you know, the longer slide will maximize the potential that ballistically that the 10mm has to offer. But 4.5 inches isn't bad either. Some people would carry this, some people would hunt with this, some people would use it for home defense, and you know, the options are endless, and the 10mm has become more and more popular. People want that round, they want guns that support that round, and here is Springfield's XDM in 10mm. So I'll be getting this to the range, show you guys everything that it's capable of. I have every indication to think that it's going to be just fine. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.